Hello, this is OpinionRadar, and today I'm thrilled to introduce the DMASUN Exercise Bike, a fantastic addition to any home gym. Priced at just $178, this bike offers an accessible way to stay active without leaving your space. Whether you're a beginner looking to establish a routine or someone returning to fitness, the DMASUN adapts to your needs. In this review, I'll share how it integrates into daily life, its versatility across different workout styles, and why it's earned a permanent spot in my fitness arsenal. We'll explore everything from comfort during extended sessions to how it handles various intensities, all while fitting neatly into smaller spaces. As someone who values both effectiveness and convenience, I'll provide an honest, hands-on perspective on its performance and durability. Expect a balanced look at its strengths and any minor trade-offs. Let's dive into what makes this bike a worthwhile investment for consistent, convenient exercise. As someone who's spent years alternating between gym memberships and home workouts, the DMASUN Exercise Bike has quickly become a cornerstone of my fitness routine. From the moment I unboxed it, the quality felt remarkably solid, something I appreciate given the 330-pound capacity that assures stability even during vigorous rides. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward. I completed it in under an hour with basic tools, and the pre-protected parts showed thoughtful packaging that prevented any scratches or dents. The magnetic resistance system whisper-quietly adjusts from a gentle pace to challenging intensity, making it ideal for early morning rides when I don't want to disturb the whole household. What truly stood out was the pedal design. Those anti-loosening nuts eliminated any wobble, a small but critical detail that prevents mid-workout frustrations. The bike's thoughtful features make it more than just a piece of equipment. It's a personalized fitness partner. The padded seat, while not universally praised, worked well for me after a brief break-in period. I found it comfortable enough for 30 to 45-minute sessions without any discomfort. The digital display is crisp and intuitive, tracking speed, time, distance, and calories with clarity, while the integrated tablet holder has been a game-changer for following Peloton or YouTube spin classes. I love that the resistance knob sits within easy reach, allowing me to adjust intensity without stopping my ride. For someone who values multitasking, streaming a show or participating in a live class turns a solitary workout into an engaging experience, and this bike accommodates that seamlessly. Practically speaking, this bike shines in real-world scenarios. Living in a small apartment, I appreciated its compact footprint. It fits neatly into a corner without dominating the space. During winter months, when outdoor running becomes impractical, I've used it for daily cardio, and the smooth pedal motion mimics road cycling beautifully. I've also brought it to my parents' house for family workout sessions. Its portability and easy adjustment make it versatile for different users. The sturdy frame held firm whether I was pedaling at a leisurely pace or pushing for interval training, and I never felt any rattling or instability, even on uneven surfaces. It's become the go-to solution for maintaining consistency in my exercise regimen. While the DMASUN bike excels in many areas, it's not without its minor quirks. Some users, including myself initially, found the seat could use a bit more padding for extended rides, though a simple cushion cover resolved this for me. I did notice that the handlebars have a slight tendency to shift position over time, requiring occasional readjustment, a small inconvenience but worth mentioning. The water bottle holder, while convenient, felt flimsy and broke after a few weeks, prompting me to use a clip-on bottle instead. These issues, however minor, are outweighed by the bike's overall performance and durability. For the price point, these nuances feel like acceptable trade-offs rather than deal-breakers. In my daily use, I've integrated the DMASUN bike into various lifestyle moments. On rainy days, it replaces my usual trail runs, offering a weatherproof way to stay active. During work breaks, I squeeze in 10-minute agility sessions to combat sitting for hours. Evenings become opportunities for longer, meditative rides paired with audiobooks. The tablet holder positions my device perfectly for this. What I love most is how it adapts to my mood. A light pace for recovery days, or high-resistance intervals when I need intensity. The quiet operation means I can ride late at night without disturbing neighbors, a feature I can't overstate enough for city living. Considering value, the DMASUN bike delivers remarkably well for its price. The materials feel purposeful yet approachable. No cheap plastics that snap under pressure. After 6 months of regular use, the frame remains pristine, and the resistance mechanism shows no signs of wear. I've compared it to more expensive models, and while some luxury brands offer extra bells and whistles, the DMASUN covers all functional bases without fluff. It's particularly suited for beginners building routine or veterans seeking a reliable home trainer. The smooth magnetic resistance avoids the grating noise of belt-driven alternatives, and the 330-pound capacity ensures it will serve users of most body types for years to come. If you're debating whether this bike fits your needs, here's my honest takeaway. It's a versatile, well-built piece of equipment that balances performance with affordability. It excels as a home-centric solution for consistent cardio, whether you're following structured classes or seeking independent training. Minor frustrations around the handlebars or bottle holder are easily worked around, and the overall experience feels rewarding. For anyone transitioning from gym to home workouts, or simply wanting a dependable, space-saving trainer, the DMASUN offers exceptional value. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in making fitness accessible, convenient, and sustainable. If your fitness journey needs a reliable partner, the DMASUN bike delivers. Show your support with a like, and subscribe to keep your feed moving forward with more trusted reviews. Don't miss out. Hit that notification bell. Together, we'll stay on track. Your next workout and more great gear await.